First, place the bottle of oil in the pot of hot water for about 5 minutes before you start your massage. When it's comfortably warm, take a small amount of oil in your hands and rub your hands together. Start by massaging your scalp. Use your fingertips to really work the oil into your scalp, even gently tugging at the roots of your hair. With each step, take more oil in your hands as you need. Next, move your hands to your face, making circular motions over your forehead and temples, cheeks, nose, upper lip, and chin. Pay special attention to your ears, massaging the whole outer ear, and then placing a small amount of oil on your small finger to massage the ear canal. Use long strokes to massage the front of the neck and the collarbone, then the back of the neck and upper shoulders. Firm long strokes help move lymph to drain toxins, give attention to the length of the muscles, and provide the most grounding touch for the body. Pay special attention to your hands, massaging the palms as well as the knuckles and small joints of each individual finger. Will help nourish and replenish the skin, tone the muscles, calm and soothe the entire nervous system, revitalize and energize the cells of the body, awaken and tune up the functioning of internal organs, and optimize the body's ability to flush and remove toxins. It can even support healthy sleep patterns and energy.